Departmental convergence evolved organically when the CBOs collaborated with local governance bodies for accessing their entitlements. It is a vital aspect of the PRI CBO convergence project, aimed at bridging the gap between various government departments and the community. Different departments cater to specific aspects of development such as healthcare, education, livelihood, social security, and many more. These departments also implement multiple schemes, programs, and projects that are community-centric. However, many a times the community members lack awareness about these various government schemes and programs that they are entitled to. In some instances, in spite of having heard about the schemes, they remain ignorant about the basic eligibility of the scheme, the process of applying for it, and which office to approach.
सरकार की जो योजनाएं हैं बेसिकली, चाहे विधवा पेंशन है, वृद्धा पेंशन है, मातृत्व लाभ योजना है या अन्य और सरकारी योजनाएं हैं, मनरेगा से जॉब कार्ड है, मनरेगा मेट का काम, इन सारी काम को हम लोगों ने पाया कि अभी तक जो है वो लोगों तक पहुंच उसकी जितनी होनी चाहिए थी उतनी नहीं हुई है.
By facilitating the convergence between local governments, SHGs and line departments, the project helps bridge this information gap and ensures the community members are informed about their rights and entitlements and are also aware of the process to access the same. The PRI CBO Convergence Project has different methods of ensuring this convergence. It facilitates orientation sessions and meetings with departments to enhance the officials' understanding of the local context and the demands raised through the 4 components of the Village Poverty Reduction Plan, VPRP. These orientations happen at the state, district and block levels where the nature of demands by the SHGs are discussed. The officials share what are the current running schemes that can address these needs. Similarly, orientation sessions and field-level awareness-building activities like participatory assessment of entitlements and entitlement access plan help the communities understand their rights and entitlements. They are also made aware of various schemes and programs available from various line departments and how to access them.
जो पहले लिमिटेड ग्राम सभा में पार्टिसिपेशन था वो बाद में बढ़ने लगा इवेंचुअली. उसके साथ ही साथ जो लाइन डिपार्टमेंट का पार्टिसिपेशन बहुत लाइक लिमिटेड होता था या फिर ना के बराबर था, वो भी इंश्योर होने लगा कि वो पंचायत के ग्राम सभा में वगैरह पार्टिसिपेट करे और वो भी यूज़ करने लगे ग्राम सभा नाम का प्लेटफॉर्म कि इससे हम अलग अलग स्कीम के बारे में जानकारी दे सकते हैं. अलग अलग उनके जो भी ट्रेनिंग्स होते हैं, क्या अलग अलग ट्रेनिंग्स होते हैं जो उनके देने होते हैं, उसके बारे में भी वो ग्राम सभा का प्लेटफॉर्म यूज़ करने लगे.
और पहले तो हमें अपने यूज़ करने के बनाए थे भाई गोरे अचार, बस अपने लायक अपने ही तक ही सीमित था. और जब हम उन्हें ट्रेनिंग मिले रहे अचारों बनाने रहे, तब हमें अचार ज़्यादा लग रही बनाने दिए नहीं. हम उन्हें फायदा वो रहा गोरे इन्हें इनकम वो बोड़े मारे हेरो. हमें कई प्रकार अचार लागू बना दिया. अब हमें ज़रा लहसुन अचार, आम का अचार और गलगल का अचार, चकनार का अचार, आंवला का अचार. हमारे लिए इसमें आपू हम फ़ायदा बोने रवानी है. कुछ सामान लाने को लिए लग रहा हमारे पैसे कुछ हम आपू के प्रॉफिट हुए रहा बच्चे रहा हम.
On the occasion of Menstrual Hygiene Day in May 2022, an awareness session and health camp were organized in Rajgarh and Tiog blocks. These camps were organized by the VOs in collaboration with the health department. The health camp provided general medical checkups, including HB level, sugar and blood pressure tests. The camp involved the participation of various professionals such as doctors, health educators, ICDS supervisors, lab technicians, Anganwadi workers and ASHA workers.
पुलिस कंट्रोल रूम 100, ठीक है. गुड़िया हेल्पलाइन 1518, ठीक है. चाइल्ड हेल्पलाइन 1098. आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप इस पे कॉल कर सकते हैं. और ये क्या है?
In June 2022, an awareness camp was organized at Kelvi, Kathog, Devi Mode, Barada, and Chikkad Gram Panchayats of Tiog block of Himachal Pradesh in collaboration with the Women and Child Development Department. The objective of the camp was to educate adolescent girls and SHG women about adolescent health, gender-based violence and discrimination. The resource person from the WCD department provided information about the Sakhi One-Stop Center scheme, which aims to support and assist women and children affected by any kind of violence. Convergence with line departments like agriculture, horticulture, veterinary, and welfare departments to meet the livelihood demands of the communities was one other notable impact. Beneficiaries received support from the line departments in the form of training, equipment, loans, and other resources, resulting in the overall economic well-being of the community.
Organizing the adult literacy camps was a collaborative action between the Panchayati Raj institutions, the VOs, as well as the line departments such as the education department. The Tola Sevaks from the education department acted as the resource persons. The Panchayati Raj institutions in the particular GPs provided with stationaries and other requirements a space to conduct the adult literacy camps. The mobilization support was provided by the VO members and the monitoring support was provided by the PCC members. These adult literacy camps were successfully conducted across all the 6 blocks, covering almost 2086 SHG members.
Overall, the PRI CDO Convergence project in Bihar and Himachal has been able to bring together a multitude of line departments and align their activities to the overall objectives of the project, benefiting the communities whom otherwise had no or limited access to them.